Kakanun Menteri Kabelai Kendo ha ka arpun riu terik unailar arhazar arpun riu. Kalashi mekarai ban pun kutno ya ka Jingshim personal interview ha ka Jing Thungkam Group C non-technical hapoh ki District Selection Committee DSC. Bargani kan terekam na dok terik Kuala Lengkot arhazar arpunyo. Hawai keren bagino pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ka jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagani kalong shibenta jong Jing penkela thamai ka Jing Thungkam ka bapanyaj da ka Sorkar. Ulong ru bakam menshwa kat kum Jing ai Jing mut jong ka UPSC bat ka Reform Commission ka jela. Ladak ban penkut no ya ka Jingshim interview ha ka Group D ha ka DSC. Ulito ru ba ki kam technical hapoh ka Group C kenang beteng bandan ke interview ba ka tenat personal kan sapni ya ka Jing pemna ha ka bedai ba ka technical but non technical. Kakanun Menteri kala ajung menjuru ya ka Standard Operating Procedure SOP naga benta ki DSC bagian penbet danti ya ka Jing Thungkam Thungjam. Kan dan ru ka Jing ai Jing hikai ya ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki officer ban penterekam kam kloy ya ki SOP. Berhadian on sepentrekam langru haki weipat ki recruitment board.
So I informed them that we had already taken decision. For grade D is already being implemented. For grade C we have taken a decision that from 1st of January 2027 all interview notifications that come out from that day onwards for grade C non-technical posts the interview will be abolished, and this decision has been taken already. I also informed them that the standard operating procedures for the DSC has also been cleared, and further this will be adopted by the different recruitment boards. Also at the same time there were some reforms in the MPSC that were mentioned. I shared with them that the committee that was part of the reforms committee for MPSC had suggested to us 23 reforms, and out of the 23 reforms, 19 have already been implemented and 4 are under consideration. So a large number, majority of the reforms have been implemented. And there were certain concerns raised that the advertisements that are made by the MPSC is open to the entire country, whereas in other states, like even in Assam, certain interviews that we have seen or exams, it mentions that residents of Assam only can apply. So of course there are certain legal hurdles there which we shared with the members, and I informed them that next week the Deputy Chief Minister, President Tinsong, will be discussing this matter in more details so that we can find a legally strong ground on which we can implement this. I shared with the members that in fact this is some issue that we are completely in line and agreeable. We know that this is something we want to do. We're just figuring out how it should be done so that it can stand the scrutiny of the judiciary.